my 2025 Volvo V60. We're gonna reset the maintenance reminder. I got the car running right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Okay, with your foot off the brake, you're gonna go to the engine start switch. Foot off the brake, 1, 2, 3. You should have the message on the screen. It says press brake pedal to start. Before we do that, we're gonna press and hold down the minus sign. We're gonna put our foot on the brake, and then we're gonna start the car. Car is started now, still holding the minus sign. We're looking for an eye to start flashing up here on the top of the screen. When it does, we're gonna let go of the minus sign. Let go, and then it will tell you maintenance reminder reset, and that's it. The timing needs to be perfect. Might take you a couple times to get the timing down, but you will be able to reset it. So I hope this helped you out, and if it did, appreciate it if you could help me out by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button, and if you have a question, you can leave it down in the comment box below.